Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a money and abundance spell jar. This is designed to attract prosperity, a steady income and financial growth. This jar combines powerful ingredients that have been used in folk magic for centuries to bring in wealth, success and financial stability. Let's make our jar. So here I have all my ingredients that I need to make this money and abundance spell jar. I shall just list the ingredients for you now, and I will write all the ingredients down below in the comments for you to copy. If there are any things here that you cannot get hold of or don't have, I will also write below a list of alternatives that you can use. So don't panic if you don't have everything. These jars are really more about intention and what you put your energy into it and your intention into it more than the actual ingredients. This is just what I have and what I like to use for mine. As I said, I will have alternatives down there, but make sure as you're making this, your intention is for abundance, for money, for flow and financial stability, and all those thoughts and those feelings are going into this jar, and that is what makes it magical. So just bear that in mind when you are gathering your ingredients. So I shall just list them now. We have bay, frankincense, basil, dried orange, cinnamon bark, rice. I have an aventurine, citrine and pyrite crystals. The jar to put it all in. I'm using just a small jar today. I like one that I can just keep on me, so that's a nice size to keep with me or keep on my desk when I'm working. Some green wax. I have here some wax seals. I have 3 different types of green and a gold, just to add to the abundance. Or you could use a green candle to drip wax onto. It doesn't have to be green. If you have white, that's fine too, but green is the colour of wealth, abundance and stability. And you'll need some incense for cleansing your ingredients and cleansing your bottle jar. So the first thing I'm going to do is light my incense and cleanse the jar. Give it a good smoke cleanse and cleanse the ingredients. And this just gets everything ready for our spell work. Are you drawn to money, magic and abundance spells? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever made a spell jar for wealth? I'd love to hear what you put in yours, so do leave a comment below. Just place my jar on a little bowl just to catch anything that I might drop. So first I'm going to start with the rice. I'm going to put a little layer of rice in there. My rice looks a little, it's got bits in with it. This is from my money bowl. So this is you can just use plain rice, but this rice I'm using is from my money bowl. So we have a little layer of rice in there. Rice has long been associated with abundance and wealth. In many cultures, it represents prosperity, fertility, and having enough resources to provide for yourself and your family. So adding rice to this jar helps build a strong financial foundation. That's why I like to put it at the bottom. And it ensures stability in your income. Next up, we have cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the most powerful herbs for money spells. It works quickly to draw in wealth and business opportunities and financial success. It's also linked to increasing the speed of manifestation. So if you want fast results, cinnamon is a must to pop in there. So I'm going to do a nice little layer of that because I have a couple of businesses I run and I would like them to quickly become very successful. There we are. Next up is basil. Basil is a well-known herb for prosperity and business success, so it attracts opportunities, protects your financial investments. It encourages money to flow in and stay rather than slip through your fingers. So a nice little layer of basil in there. So next up is the dried orange peel. So dried orange or orange peel carries bright and uplifting energy, which is important when you're manifesting abundance. Money magic works best when paired with a really positive mindset, and orange helps to boost confidence, bring luck, and attract positive energies. This also smells absolutely gorgeous. I love the dried orange. So pretty. Looks like little gems. Put quite a bit in there because I think it's gorgeous. Here's how it's looking so far. Beautiful and magical. Next, I'm going to add my pyrite chips. So pyrite is also called fool's gold. It's an excellent stone for attracting money. It brings a strong energy of confidence, determination, success. It helps you align with opportunities and financial gain. So I shall pop those in. And again, it's really pretty and shiny. Next on my list is the citrine. I have a citrine bead here. So citrine is one of the most well-known crystals for abundance. It helps with manifestation, business growth, motivation, and it's just the perfect addition to any money jar. So I'm going to pop that one in. And the last gemstone I'm going to add is another bead. It's green aventurine. It's a stone of luck and good fortune. It is known for helping to open financial doors, you know, whether through career success or unexpected opportunities. It just increases income flow. So I'm going to pop that in. That's how it's looking so far, looking really pretty and abundant. Next on the list is bay leaf. So bay leaves are powerful in spell work, especially when used in manifestation. So before you add it to the jar, you can write your financial goal or your intention, something like steady income or financial freedom, or, you know, a number, a figure that you require. You can pop it on there, and that just amplifies the success of your jar. So I'm just going to write my little intention on there now. So my intention is written on there. I'm going to fold it towards me a few times. And then that should fit nicely inside the jar. The last ingredient I'm going to add to the jar is frankincense. You can use resin or oil. I happen to have some resin, so I'm going to use that today. Frankincense is used to elevate spiritual energy and strengthen your spell work. So it enhances abundance magic by clearing blocks and aligning you with your prosperity. So I'm going to put some nice big pieces in there. Align away. Thank you very much. And now I'm going to pop on my lid. So lastly, we want to seal our jar with wax before we hold it in our hands and set our intention on it and make it a really powerful spell. So I'm going to use wax melts. I'll show you how I do that, but you can, like I said, just light a candle and gently drip it on the lid. So to do these wax melts, I need to pop a candle underneath and sit the little spoon on. So I'm just going to wait a while. I'll come back to you. That's going to take a minute or two to melt. While that's melting, drop your favourite wealth attracting magic in the comments. So what do you like to use? Is it sigils, candle magic, something else? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you do. It's melting away nicely there. Some old wax, got a bit of red. It's going to be quite beautiful, I think. Okay, that's melted. So So I am going to gently pour that to seal in the magic. It's beautiful. Green and gold, symbols of wealth. So I shall just let that cool for a moment. So that's now cooled. As it melted, it dripped down the side and has left this lovely little foot. So I think that will look really lovely on my shelf. I'm now going to hold it in my hands and meditate on it and set my intentions with it, and that shall live by my desk where I work. I think it's really beautiful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more magical DIYs, hit the like button. It helps me to know that you want more content like this. I do have more spell jar videos that I can make, and Witchy crafts coming up. So if you haven't already, do make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss those. And if you make your own money spell jar, let me know how it turns out. I'd love to hear about what you create and how it all works out for you. Happy magic making. I'll see you soon.